ebusian for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, different ebusian for we no go agree. We don't go agree. We no go agree. Oh, we dey as I am me. The reason I'm even throwing my hand is to show you that my shoulder is gradually healing by the grace of God. My shoulder, my left shoulder. I couldn't raise it, right? After I fell sick for the first time, I couldn't raise it. I couldn't even use it. Even though I still feel some pain, but I couldn't even extend it. But thank God I'm getting there. Physiotherapy has helped and your prayers has also helped. Any move, special mumu. Oh, obit me friend me say, oh, the voice. He said, move from the voice view. Move from me Richard because me who send me Richard Harris. Right? I think we bring from Richard. And it sounds weird in my ears because I'm more used to the voice. And I say Harris. But I'm going to penny phone, papa and penny void. I'm going to move the key protocol. What's me from me? Richard. No problem. Well done. Right. Now let's stop playing and go to the issue. I bet I saw for no warning. I tell me warning. Tell me one say obi bia we osofo on him. Now prior to 2028, now so be shame come by election. Be she was sorry. Yemi na mikai. Me botip na mamu. Mamu di masubeti. Ghana for youth say they are not ready for that nonsense again. Sankos asem say omuna mukun. Omano ye kosa ekotu aba. Instead say befa two political parties no MPP ni NDC. Na ye sure say why na betimi aboa man na ma ye pass our time no ye compare and contrast. Instead now na ma be chichi yen san say Yakupon say chinchin twan yen into abanuma nipa baako. Na ye kotu abanuma nipa no so a ene niama yesi no e kire say mo dadae. Na madada yen so no enya dia betimi aka say we are mistaken yen kotu abanu foforo chi na da bi e say yen na yen twen sa 2028. Tikana youth say there be sa dia amudi ayen no first fool no be fool but second fool is going to be a fool. Na second fool no there omum peni ma so for bia be Ghana youth no fools bio. And 2028 from now to that time why Yakupon yi bibie kire wo no ka kire wo yere wo fie. Nenso wa se Yakupon yi bibie kire wo say bia candidate B never win election na who dey for phone frɛ nipa no si Yakupon yi kire me say una be win upe abet na ka kire party for udwuma no but say unim na be gina sorry nim o ye pronouncement wan hwɛ ya obeti usamia ade Ghana nkwa na Yakupon kasafa elections one. No, tell me. God only speaks about Ghana elections. He said Togo for to aba and find Yakupon. Nigeria for to aba and find Yakupon. Ghana for kwa na ebe to aba na Yakupon say mutuma we e ma mutuma kramoni e mu Yakupon there on pen Nigeria for 17 na wa ma kramoni di omso. Ana Dubai, Yakupon pe o 17 na kramoni ne di o minus. Now one can say even Israel, Benjamin Netanyahu no. One say o Christoni. Why? Why Israel eko bompa ye. Eko the wailing one nyina no. How many Christians are there now? China, o mo man penin o Christoni. China for them go to election there. Unko to abadi Yakupon gasa. So for we. You see, last time say move higher. Because some of these things are me church guy, me can want say me ya. But you do it too much. Oh. Yeah, papa. So let's go and listen to the fair warning that has been given to the clergy. But before then, our studio project na pa. Emre no ko. By Jimudi. We believe in you, we trust you. Now you show up for us. Now about the screen I say, get to be answer. Damn, assisting a man.
And can you never say? And then this no, what you to me say, or some about 4 years on. Maybe the Messia soft no, I'm new movie become 2020. Who software born who is in a missing and Ubu say no co, a jay. Ubu say no co pa, a jay, you know me, cream. Ube chiama ya yam papa because ye hu se ye de ne to mo za asofo we so mo ya kuhwefo ya adesuafo ye mamofo mo bo man mo ya kromfo mofu na mo de nam mofu ene mahama creative platform WhatsApp group ena asofo mu gu so mo de da pay wuro so eni etua mo ka moafo na ya nkoto ayeda ena makeka manu atum na masesa bible na mo mofu pofu mo didi amen ena mo na ya na me bremu me maame no moko tina dwom ko tom meko 22 cd ni ade amode be hwe mo ma no eduru Sunday na mo ho premo yakobo afode yekotua tight yekoye sei na mo de amasofo no no wasan di agu ne brab a waje so ne na fu ayetotwe na mo yegu ho ne ye bre yesi Ghana ye Christian kan so ye ne ye bre yesi nkramofo nye mi busa mo yesi nkramofo ya abonsamfo monko Muslim countries ne so UAE ne hwan ne ade kohwe wo mu kra na wo sika oil ne ade kohwe wo ne pie yesi ye ne ya Christopher enso ye ne ye bre enama so ko asofufuo bi akromfo bi o mo begu ye so anyame mfre wo mu a wo mu di o mo fu na de nam enne ge hu nsem asofu no wo mu wai enne de wo mu hu ade abiem ensem akese a wo mu kan na kufu ado time enne de asofu no wo mu hu ade abiem na wo mu didi amen omu hu ade bi yo eda wo manim atwen wo mu eda wo manim atwen wo mu Bible say wo enome enka wo nipa wo frɛ bonne se papa na wo frɛ papa nso se bonne wo se nipa no enome enka nti ne asofo no mu enome aka mu na yehumu se de musitie yehumu pa se de musitie because and Kufuado na Kufuado na yesofo bi a topic every Sunday na me console debre na me te every Sunday Kufuado na ye topic Pentecost of assemblies for hwan na ge ufa ba bia na ge Kufuado so ansan enti wo foa so so ansan enso wo foa so enne akwa we kwasi na bu aiwei azani we abegina ho abeka se ge nsem enye ne priority enye ade aga na hia makama no atuma yimu no edamonim etwa mo agiasare etwa wo baduko bi etwen we da wanim etwen Archbishop Duncan Williams da wanim etwen obi amebie na no mekasa ende obi amebie na no mekasa eye Mahamad ya eye ba ye Kufuado dia ye ni natem yo ye nyina da yanim etwen ye bra panyin ma mfa manusi no obi sunre mu bi
yo meda sepa bunua nyame hye de bia bra na ye ndi nkomo ye ntrem dem a Kubi One TV online mo akwa aba pop ti den
Aduma obo afọ ado enda ene ye Good Friday yan ewo Ghana e calendar mu nso enye Good Friday wo Ghana saa
oh yashi yako
ma menchia me boss e be hu se Mr. Marcus e wa ha me senior boss no ti ma menchia no me da wase e wo akwan a wo bi dia ma me se me nso me nkyere ma adwene e wo Ghana na openi ade ba ko a areho e wo man mu ne se wo hu ye yesusa no na campaign for se bi nka hu ofuri ananka obu ne se broni da bisa wo free jeto pa de ene na kapenti ma mento ena enka paso wo so me besa me ka sei de besa me kana ne se ebra ye nyini no na ye nim se wo ba eye Ghana memu ase a enka nkofo pa na first pa no so wo wo mpatamu wo bro no so ene wo nkuro so a yanka di buo ne ne fawie ne suro e ma wo mutie wo ba ko e ya hemfo Yenu, nanka ya kyerɛkyerɛfo atichafo miensa nanka ya asofo etinka osofo eba betena bro no so obon se o maame ogina bodia na bodia no tumi se eye kase a wo fa koma sofo na omompaye emfama dan tamu no na asofo no wonwene wo na fu ho na wonwene opese minkuminya ho ne mom na odwene se da bi ewiase mre bi ebedura enipa sa de ete no ye nte saa enti no yan bo abrabo papa eti sa wo hwete asofo mu di nkai ba ye the missionaries anyone na wo di nkai e ba Africa memu say titiri ga memu say na wo hwe abrabo ni subo there dia when ya won sabi won ko wompo edan po na woni bi but ene osofo be ka twa say shawadan mu die wo soro na ho na owifo ene M40 message no na wo no osofo so wonya dwuma bia o ya medwuma na wo ye no na wo si fie maako be sensia be senso eda ka asa kesie mu ne condition ko eche Russia wo sa wo sofo we si na on me de eye mawre ye me yane ne se ebre bi no na senka enya enka enenso so enka de senka ye kan se
enka Russia wo
nai ebi mo ka mo condition eche Russia wo asofo ni bi etu mo kasa o de o mo sikasa o mo kasa sia mia wo mo kon o mo na o mo ho me twe che obani hwe one thing ne se wo hu asofo ni bi mesi o mbe pro ansa na o mo wu e wo Ghana ha se nyankopon honhom na e wo bi aso okay kai 2 Peter chapter 2 verse 9 now was we are a chosen generation, a royal people, a peculiar people, a people chosen by God. Eti nyina ne ye nyankopon asofo ene ahene asofokuo. Eti no the prophecy of God no e wo obi anu. It we can all declare and deny. And when tinisa be make kire us say me nso ti mu ti say me nso me yesofo. Eti ne say wo yesofo na be hye nkompone ne nkomtro ene adwembone wo de what type eni bre ahoya ene be kasa ye. Ye Lawrence Tete. Ye Sam Crunchy Ankra. Ye Kofi Oduro. Ye nhwe sofwe wan Abraham Lamte. Ye nhwe wan ono kaka ho. All these pastors came in the Lawrence Tete kwado say eye nkwasiasem. He used that word. Say eye nkwasiasem so yo man panini. Na wo se won sign eye gay bill no eye nkwasiasem. It Lawrence Tete me bisa wo say ene mahama wo ye kwasia na. And I will Lawrence Tete as a sofono we ye kwasia. And ka first nyankopon di fo na no kasa no de Kofi Oduro se Andrew na kasa tia eye Davidia and then obekasa tia eye Solomon. Now one check the manner of person, irrespective of who your credibility is. Now they proclaim the truth. Now will declare the purpose of God. But and then you will declare the purpose of one kasamofu. Any more person kumina. We are the body for Ghana sophobia, most sorry take Kufuado. Share opening from birth 1 week in your me rap some it will be an unusual time. But even the Kufuari. Papa no at his age, Opin can't say Mr. Kufuado, Bonnie Bower, your Ghana say NSM. He is the first ever president in the Republic of Ghana with timidity seat to one who said, submit a Kufuado if it will cost my seat to lose as a president and fight for Galamsey, I will do it. Maybe say Ebra Mahama Baya Ibrahim Mahama Akoto Pleno say a Kufuado net so enenka Gabi Ochredaku Ekoto Plena can send Ben and Kasami Jenfi Boja Jenfi sa why say hippopotamus Sam Georgie our Kasa Rebema say as a bra amoyi nipa fun bi say etimi gina ho no sa wo se bobra enka wo be ka kire say se obi e be criticize one so be kan wo asem a oni kan en check na wo say achievement ben Sam George achievement ben wo achieve me see asebe enimi ni ata du twua omo amobra etine me nkasantia panini bi emo mun sa wodi nka be kasantia panini bi wo fi sa ni ma boni anka oye dia ene na ka Sam George anka I am expecting you say enka blank ne ka oye cabinet minister enka you have the power to speak against your own president. Because a brave chamuno, you MPP for mini MP for mon sorry, say your financial minister, the Juma and Sony, it will Chianamon, and that is the credibility and I was expecting some George said and commit notice Anamono, a hand time and must walk a cabinsem, any a concordism, and the Kota branch with him. Casafua, and you can say any packer. This small boy, this guy, this nothing boy. Obiem Obama, we in a show, winning Yansa. Your castle will be a Jimmy Bema, Bema, war show. Who will Yansa Bena wasn't a more minister? Over catch us who you fight because we dear throttle and say, Modia throw a catch the Ghana for not yet, and you now suffer for being sorry to Kufuado, a Kufuado say you, a Kufuado say you, a Kufuado no, not a year Aquaway, a year Kofi Oduro. Our Casa, Abacasa said a post watching the Ebum. Near feels a sank of one whom you are coming a genuine pastors because some of us no yet here womb. na ye tie won obi sa gina sorry me na we me number 1 sofo na me tie no nim asofofo a wo mo ye nyame adwuma na me use won opani ma me kan asem bi afi ewre ye fi ye gina ye solid enko asofofo Ghana ha do ni nyina solid here eye the former Church of Pentecost chairman eye apostle Professor Opoku Onyina all in the name of CSA wakwa deep board anim say yes the National Cathedral ye rese se kro papa no ye rese se ye papa no ye posa de sese bi ebrosam asofofo oniama asofofo ekowi etire no ekowi etire no ekowi etire no audit for abetwetwem when you say MPP let so moma buy aba NDC abaya aba ekohwehwem ententem so ara ena mutu bi ka kohwemu papa ne hu son asofofo no amu di atem no enka mo ya asofofo anka mo wo se mo wetibua mo wa dwene anka mo de dwene a kasable enka mo kre kan mo rogu honum because you don't deserve to be called pastor, bishop, and other kind of names that you have been entitled yourself with. You are so ashamed and disgrace to your generation. Mama so fudie kwa ye tai. Yes, mama Christo ni kwa the no grass more. Paul say, and can me Christo minti was share Christo ni munyam, but because of mama so for minti, ye dear Christo, ye do Christo at him. Even people are telling her, share one the difference between Christians and Muslims. Very Muslim ni say oh be big one up you have a way on the general public and me ton onua Muslim told you say Ghana is a Christian country. Ghana is not a Christian country, but Ghana home they aboy openini intertribal marriage ya ware ye ho ero na aboy amaye nyina no yetinya tena bom enka ntisanka sobufo yimbi eduru be no enya sobufo na mafie ntam tete ye wo ma me na eyew wo papa na eyew wo yere ye bayifo wo kunu ye bayifo wo ti se no am obi agai ni kunu anko bebo na daachi no am obi akotweteka wadu twa ne maame. And these are people who call themselves pastors. In the Bible, there was nowhere I said you are ma me na eyew papa na eyew, but Ghana has suffer for them as no Ghana suffer and as so abroches of because abroches of for shem come say ye beto aba na we na be we ni, but Ghana suffer for them because of your food. Their greatness when a nibre it's not means I wish I said and or Michael now Aquablani etinia tamsika 9 billion. Yes, sika no mine more, but tamsika 9 billion sir. When the kwa kujia nyamia beduru. Ah, areho sembe no. He me se Ghana ha ho. Obi a sofo, obi a professor, obi a doctor, obi a lawyer, obi a judge. So Uncle Johnny NDC we nyansani or Johnny NDC no eji before
pepe
no krepa
to Uncle Johnny NDC we nyansani o the moment Uncle Johnny NDC na se eye duabo se eye numiu se eye yario se eye damu na watam sikan yesusa on obi o app yi so wotena krase te se de ye mu bi ye tena krase no enim se ye woni mebi hono mu a okodo a nanka sane man unua nia edi nka ye benken nia etoso meni ye brobe nia etoso miensa eye santum abrojuma nia etoso enan na enka eye entos yes ye fe no adwoa dede enketenkete bi no enna nyame abeduro when no say otam sekai ekotwa nyame abeduro so ko dwa na afu mu enhirawa ye mesoa ma me nyame nsiraw mama de nyame nsiraw ene sane ma no na ye Ghana nyame de akyeye ye de akyeye wait me anya sikahwe na me kasem bi so wo fa eye Ghana ha se ya northern region won mo no MPs a omo NDC mu omo ye maako 57 but open the poorest region the northern part of the of this country
no correct
it no mo sabi taniba eslemuniba wo ba be ye yines wanya position na enka wonya sika no enka bomodina na enka wo de fa ko develop wo krom mo region na nka mo so no development di memra ho no mo adwere sa ma wotirim omo nko mo kuro mo omo gu the southern part of Ghana ha sem ena nsem hunu kwa na aka wo mo ano mo kuro mo afeso a hwe last time can one party say the first political party was say o di Ghana fo atem na wode eniema fo e ma Ghana fo no to abama no eye NDC no mo di kuraba bentoa ena Manchester ena nchene ena ko mankofo no mo to abade ma wo. This is the people and you know motia. Oh, adia NDC ni chiri any Ghana ni a wonim nyansa adia NDC ni chiri NDC ni Ghana ni wonim nyansa so we dwene more than at least 40% kra no a NDC ni mpo asem because wonim say ono no obekasa eya tronko no be di akyerew o me Kenya asem bi ankyerew it was kwabrane atam 9 billion so the kwa invest ewo eye nyamia bedro mu ebre ben na Ghana ha nyamia bedro ebedane eye cashew ebedane power rubber ebedane cocoa ebedane even besen and also ebedane share better not you betimi ya export e de akoma no ne amana ko fasika de abra yen
omo nyina omo ho banke nyame ya adoma yemfo omo nyum
so na wanya kwan ababedi sa NYA o sede ende na wo ho no mu no obi na ba ye no be create to ho no mu e na obenya kwan na obehye ho no mu bie ekufo do nyansani ni ba wo mia ba no mo dwene ho say the rate of unemployed graduate association graduate edoso wo man yim it for the meantime ye ntimi mfa wo mu abayi nyina mu na mo ye create eye opportunity bia ye friend napco ni man kwala kwai at least 600 cities kura a month eni pa robet media twetwa ne ho eni pa ne gye ye ekoyi che mameka sim in the history of the political party I wo man yimu no MPP pe ene betimi akasa ye wo legacies e wo ho no mu na hwe menia nya ekoso nyina ho mi blame NDC fu eni ba bi na blame wo mu mi blame 6 million Ghanaians a jiminti eni nyansa eni wo mutiri munti omkoto beti ekufo ado eni MPP fo eye executive sa wo magye position da kanten so na ebi mu afu bet kransia wo de bia batakane no masem na wo mo anwene ankonka ehunu se achievement ekufo ado ne ba wo mia eye no ye bebo hu da Romagana fo ehunu ne ye kan no tu mu etra ho no mu ema NDC fo we setimi tena ase etwa atro ekansem hunu ensem boni eto ekufo ado ene ba wo mia so ema Ghana fo ba wo mia ne ekufo ado ho ba ye hinu watai ema wo and munya so for become these are the people that I blame because I can penny for the executive for me sorry ye nyansafo bi edi anim akokodurufo bi ekasa ye ebesine yen share the kind of enema ekoso a single press conference has not been organized not a single press conference but we have a general secretary we have the national organizer we have the youth organizer we have the woman organizer we have the deputy woman organizer we have the national chairman. And they are all there, and they are calling for said yensai and returning warm. Return for what? And pennyforce and for the catching to us war. And pennyforce were boom at Chewado. So before Libra, Abomu by Yamawono, and a child of Kunjabumuna, what breakfast me what this had to do come. Sabriaka, a breweni, a good senka and people for this for and a can position and a canema will say Ekoswa and Mitonia Mason Casabrinka Ghana and Kiena. And Kiena, even free senior high crana, a beboa the poor person a bano, and go forward your advert Makuma 35 against it, near to mine. And look at Bono, Obi, a cotton and Quasia Topa, Aquawan and Quasiaba. No one didn't carry in San Eddie Pemaro, and Obi by some Shakolana Mount, Massa, Massima, the young and so, opens the Kufuado from the childhood, every sabri, Papa no who bread. One tea yaoda, and Kayako be a new cousin Kunyatimam Puma, the ordinary Ghanaian, and Kayakufuado. But this man think beyond what he's seeing because he's a generational thinker. Or the Nima me bre by free senior high, Mimic Kaipa, Mimic the year 2013. 2013-2014 academic me ekuf ye now so Ghana ha say e babeto ja e achimota any school can say your second class school fees someone try exams because of 350 cedis to 400 cedis in team and plan ko fee. It tells you how priority na education in the first term of Ekufado and launch free senior high a buan kwala 5.7 million. And then opa kwala kwatena wo fie so onkoye house help onkoye ima wa unya bi because if fie biem cratch wom this is the president or gene kochini alternative will say then Ghana no ehia ambulance it's in one constituency one ambulance e baaye alternative will say yen kurase no ye urban areas no any yen villages no e go za car ni enema ntimi ko ntin apemfo e kwakwo a no mawu it yen introduce be bia ye friend the drone system zip line or the concrasi ekosam kofo ekogin kofo nkwa enti ema eye apemfo no omko wo a no mu would asoti Ni nyina chi STEM education. The first in the history. Yenya eye TVET. Ebuan kwafo na nka kwale ko school ya obeto school uniform obeto school obeto books obeto we enso papa we cha ni nyina mu